Hey there artists, today we're going to learn how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog, so let's get started. So I'm actually going to start off with drawing Sonic's nose first. So I'm going to do this oval shape right about here. Now Sonic's mouth area is going to be like this bean shape that runs into his nose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wavy line like that. And I'm going to do another curved line on the bottom to kind of close it off. So see how it kind of has like a bean shape to it. Now for his mouth, I'm going to do a curved line and another curved line. And we're going to do one more curved line. So this one's going to be kind of like a deeper curved line like this. We'll give him some teeth by drawing a straight line like that, and a tongue by drawing a curved line on the inside. And we're going to go ahead and fill this part in. So now we have Sonic's nose and the mouth. So next, we're going to do Sonic's eyes. So I'm going to do a curved line coming up, and now I'm going to draw a curved line coming down. It's going to have like an arch at the end, or a curve at the end. And it's going to be where his brow is kind of like furled. Now we're going to do a J shape. Now this J shape is going to be the beginning of his other eye. So wherever I stopped my J, I'm going to continue on and I'm going to do a big backward C. So now you have one eye and you have the other eye. Now let's draw his actual eyes. So I'm going to do a curved line like that. And we're going to do an oval. Like so. And inside that oval, we're going to do another oval. And inside that oval, I'm going to do a circle, which is where his reflection is going to be. For his other eye right here, we're just going to do a little black half circle. And I'm going to color this part of the eye as well, actually. So now you have his two eyes, his nose, and his mouth. So next we're going to do like his eyebrows. So what I'm going to do, above this eye, I'm going to do a big N shape. Like that. And I'm actually going to do another one right over his other eye. So it's going to be a big N shape. Now we're going to move back down to the bottom of his head, and we're going to draw an extended line right here. It's got a slight curve to it. That's going to be the bottom of his head. Now we're going to move to his ear. But before I do, feel free to pause the video at any point if you need to catch up. So for his ear, I'm going to draw a straight line and it's going to come to a curve. There's a slight curve at the top right here. And at the end of that curve, I'm going to come back down for the other side of his ear. So it's kind of like a triangle with no bottom. Now we're going to do the inside of his ear, and this is going to have a full triangle. It's going to be a little bit more rounded though. So we're going to go up and around and come back down. And to close off this triangle, I'm going to do like a curved line like that. That'll be the inside of his ear. Real quick, unlike Sonic, did you know that hedgehogs can actually run up to 4 miles per hour in short bursts? While they may not seem fast, it's pretty quick for their size. Hedgehogs can also travel up to 2 miles per day. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. So now for Sonic's head, I'm actually going to start his line for his head right about there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curved line that's going to end right about here. I want to try to do like a big arch. This is right before we get to Sonic's hair or his spikes. So just like we did his previous year, we're going to do a curved line that comes up and then we're going to round it at the top. And now we're going to come back down. So now you have both of his ears, and his face is basically done. All you're going to do is the easy part, which is just adding his spikes. So at this point, I'm actually going to draw a curved line that comes out, and I'm going to stop. And I'm going to come back in with a curved line like this. So that's one spike. So now to start a second spike, I'm actually going to bring my line in just a little bit, probably about right here. And I'm going to draw a curved line that comes all the way out. And as soon as I stop, I'm going to come back. And same thing with this third spike. We're going to bring the line in just a little bit. And I'm going to curve this line. And I'm going to come back. I want to try to end it right here, right by his mouth. So I'm going to go back. And this is the outline of my Sonic the Hedgehog. So I'm actually going to use this time to color him in. I'll be using markers and colored pencils, but feel free to use crayons or whatever you like to color with. I'm going to speed through this part, and I'll be right back. And this is my Sonic the Hedgehog. Again, guys, it's important to remember that it doesn't have to be perfect. Mine's not perfect. Just really take your time, enjoy the process, and have fun. I do want to take this time to say thank you guys for watching the videos and liking and subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys next time.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.